appeared to me, trying to ease my doubts. Told him everything's okay, but I'm glad he reached out. Tell me how many hours in any single dull day can I pray to a league table, but still it don't change? And how many times in just one miserable life will they vote for the bastards who would sooner annex paradise? You stand unmoving while the world keeps turning.